You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Buenos dias. We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this country and island in the Caribbean, and we'll be looking at how to say more country names too many people mispronounce, including from Spanish. So talking about Spanish, that's of course the language there. So locally, the name of the country is said as Cuba, but it is true that the correct, you could argue, the pronunciation in English is generally Cuba, but I'm not sure why that is really, because in Spanish, it's Cuba. So Cuba is correct, but in English it's referred to as Cuba, just like France is not said France in France, or Italy is not said Italy in Italy. Cuba or Cuba, it's up to you. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.